Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Swastha Raksha Ayurveda. Founder Dr. Sabataranam, BMS MDIU, Gold Medalist, running Swastha Raksha Ayurveda Clinic, Panchakarma and Wellness Center, Gulbarga. Today we'll be dealing with Paribhasha Prakarana. We'll know Paribhasha Vijnana Phala. The shloka goes as such. The reference is taken from Rasa Tarangini, second chapter, first shloka. Paribhasha Adhyamaadav यो अधीयते रससाधकः रसतंत्र अर्थविज्ञानेन न स मुह्यति कुत्रचित् which means that जो रससाधक वैद्य रस निर्माण करने के पूर्व रसशास्त्र की परिभाषा को अपने अध्यापकों से अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लेता है उसे रसशास्त्र के अर्थ ज्ञान में कहीं भी कठिनाई नहीं आती है यह परिभाषा ज्ञान आवश्यक है Here Acharya tells the importance of paribhasha. If the person learns completely, thoroughly the definitions of Rasa Shastra before getting the knowledge, he'll able to get understand the topics easily. निगूढ़ अनुक्त लेशोक्त संदिग्ध अर्थ प्रदीपिकाः सुनिश्चितार्थ विबुधैः परिभाषा निगद्यते रसतरंगिनी second chapter second shloka. Here Nigudha means something which is concealed, with something which is hidden. Anukta, which is omitted, which is told. Leshokta, which is unclear. Sandigdha, artha, means mystifying. Pradipikaha, sunishchitartha vibudaihi paribhasha nigadyate. Here the definition states that the paribhasha is the statement that gives clear and distinct meaning of words or expression. It clarifies the nigudha, concealed, anukta, omitted, leshokta, unclear, and sandigdhartha, mystifying meanings of a word or a verse in the classic. So that for the better understanding of the concept, one must know what is paribhasha, what if shodhana is given, what does shodhana means. One must know before we are getting into abraka shodhana or marana, jarana, these all concepts, before undergoing these all things, one must know what the word actually means so that understanding that particular thing won't be difficult for you. To understand better in Hindi, you can look to the translation provided on the slide and below you can see Paribhasha Gyan ki Upayogita. There is no need to by heart this shloka, that is benefit of Paribhasha, but you should know and should write in examination what is the benefit of Paribhasha. औषधानां विनिर्माणां सम्यक् च उपयोगितां तथा परिभाषं विज्ञाय च किंचित कर्तुमर्हति, which means that if you want to become a well recognized medicine in medicine preparation, then paribhasha is must and should, because paribhasha helps to understand correct method of formulating and manufacturing of medicine. It helps in adding exact quantity of precise ingredients in the formulation. Like if it is given one pala, then you should know that one pala is 48 grams, like that. And what is bhavana, if bhavana is given for particular drug. As you can see, paribhasha can be explained in following headings, like in shodhana, bhasma pariksha, specific processes, and others. In Shodhana, you can understand Nirvapa. What does Nirvapa means? If something is given in further during explanation Nirvapa, you should know what Nirvapa actually is. Avapa, Dhalana, Bhavana, Abhisheka, Bharjana. You should understand what all are these words before undergoing those aspects while explaining the concepts. As such, in Bhasma Pariksha, Apunarbhava, Nirutha, Rekha Purnata, Varitara, Mritaloha, these all will be dealing in further classes. In specific processes like Jarana, Murchana, Satvapatana, Dhriti, Amritikarna, Lohitikarna, Marana, what all are the meaning of this while explaining Jarana of something, Murchana of something, Satvapatana of any mineral or ore, like that. When we are explaining what is Amritikarna, what is Lohitikarna, what is Marana, before you don't know what are the particular word means, But when you get to know the definitions and what does it mean, and in further while doing Abhraka Marana, you will get to know, oh, we are making Bhasma here. Marana means here we are breaking the compound, like that. You will understand. If you know Paribhasha Prakarana properly, you'll understand the further concepts very well. Other few important paribhashas will be Rasapanka, Navanita Pishti, Patana Pishti, Swanga Shita, Bijavarta, Shuddhavarta, Dhanya Abraka, Hingula Krishta Parada, Dhauta, Lavana Panchaka, Kshara Varga, Panchakshara, Dvikshara, Trikashara, Ashtashara, Mutra Varga, Madhura Trifala. What are Madhura? What is Madhura Trifala? You know Trifala, okay? What is Madhura Trifala? Amla Varga, Panchamrita. If they tell while explaining that this Shodhana should be carried with Madhura Trifala, then you should understand, oh, Madhura Trifala, we have learned Paribhasha there. So that to be used here, like that. They won't again specify what is Madhura Trifala in Shloka. They'll directly mention Madhura Trifala, like that. Panchamrita, Panchagavya, Kshira, Dravakagana, Mitra Panchaka, Panchamritika, Dugdha Varga, Taila Varga, Rakta Varga, Pita Varga, Shweta Varga, Krishna Varga, etc. The list goes as such. There are many Paribhasha Prakarana, but few definitions which are very important. In previous slide, you should know the definitions. You should know the shloka. What does that actually means? Avapa, Nirvapa, Shodhana, Marana, Jarana, Amritikarna, Lohitikarna. These all definitions are very important for you. Rest other concepts like Amla Varga, Panchamrita. You just remember what are the ingredients. Pancha means five. What are five products of that? Mrita Panchaka. What is five types of Mrita Panchaka? Like that, if you remember, that is more than enough. But definition of Nirvapa, Vapa, Bharjana, etc., you have to learn and by heart the shlokas as well. That's it for today. This was the first part of Paribhasha Prakarana. Thank you for watching. This is Dr. Sabataranam, BMSMD, Gold Medalist, founder of Swastha Raksha Ayurveda Clinic, Panchakarma and Wellness Center, Gulbarga. If you have any queries, please comment. Signing off. Bye bye.